Hello friends, my name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you how to download Brave browser in free in any Windows PC. So first what you have to do, you have to open your browser that you use. So I have opened Google. Then you have to search for Brave download. When you search this, press enter. Then at the first one, this one, download Brave for free, take back control with Brave. This one you have to click. Then click this option, download Brave free. Then after some time you will see the Brave browser setup is installed. Now click show in folder here. Then here you can see, so double tap on this, then click yes, then wait a little bit. It's downloading. So as you can see, the setup has finished. Now the setup will directly open Brave, as you can see. So I hope you understood it, how to download Brave and install also. So if you understood it, like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You will always get tutorials video. So bye bye.